In this video today we're going to be installing the Fiamma F45S awning. I've attached it to my roof rack, so I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to do that. So enjoy. Hi, my name's Jason, this is my daughter Noah, and together we're going to transform this VW Crafter into the ultimate camper van. Like, subscribe and follow us on our journey. So first job, let's get it unpacked. So we've got 3 brackets, awning handle, that's for like the, goes on the back of the brackets on the roof rack. Wall brackets for the legs. Awning handle installation kit. There's the manual. Right, so nothing else in this I need. Let's have a look at the manual next. So I'll just open up this packet here. And then the way this will go on, they two here. So this will be on the back of the awning, and the brackets will go up onto the roof rack. At the back of the roof rack, you put the 2 on first. And then that'll be it. And then I've got smaller bolts here. They'll screw, when this is on the awning, they'll screw in there. But first of all, we'll have to go up and see if it's okay on the roof rack. So as you can see on the awning, it's already marked where the brackets go. 1, 2, 3. So I've wrote down the sizes for the front of the van. It's like 37, 197, 355. So what I've done is, I've marked that on the roof rack, the 3 sizes, and I've just put up M6 hole, 2 M6, 2 M6, 2 M6, and drilled through. Now we'll go on up and attach the brackets. I've just put them up just now, I'll have to put bolts behind them. Now because I've got to take the brackets back off again, I'm not going to put the lock nut on just now. I'll do this just keep it tight enough that I can put the roof rack up and mark it for the bottom bolt to screw into. So I'll do this with the 3 brackets. We'll get the awning up, we'll mark it, take the awning back down, drill the holes. Lift it up, lift it, keep lifting it up. Keep lifting it. Right, get underneath it. We lift it higher up. Right, it should just clip in. So you're in clipped in.
Looks like it.
Clipped in there. Now go and just hold it in now till I climb up. Slide it along this way a bit. Now that's it there.
Just leave it just in the rain.
So now I'm needing to mark where I've got on the awning. I'm going to drill the holes. That's that there, that there. Up! Right, take it back for the van. Right, I'll go down first. Right. Right, hold it in there, Lee.
Aye.
Right. Right, you jump down. Jump down, I've got it. Right, you're going to take that, hold that again. Right, just put it on here. So now we remove the brackets again. And we'll attach them to the awning. Need to drill some holes after this. So the reason you've got to do this is that you've got to drill the holes at the bottom, and you can't do that when it's on that roof rack system. So that's the reason I marked it. So it's just a case of lining my marks up. Remember to put the bolts back in again, because once this is screwed down you can't get the bolts out. So it's just a case now, I've got to drill these holes. A 5mm drill bit in here. Right, let's get this tightened up. That's it. So now we've got to drill this one. That's in there. That in there. A little bit of tape off of there. That's that. Same again, we're just going to put this one in now. So always make sure you've got the long screws in that's going through the roof rack, because you can't put them in once the awning's up. And then it's just a case of lining the ones up. What I should have really done. Oh, but I wouldn't have. No, it doesn't matter. That's it. And it's just a case of 5mm drill. Put the wee bolt in. That's it. So that's that done. Now just to get it up on the vehicle again. Let's begin with using the pole, start to get it out. So it's a case of putting it in, start weighing it out. So we'll take it just to there, because it's that high I need to use step ladders. I'll be carrying a little set of step ladders in the van. So I'll just put that down there. These just clip in. Slide that down. Slide that down. So we'll just move these out a little. and then keep winding the on and out. Bit more. Doesn't take that long, this. That's it. I'll just line them up. Just take the slack off of there. Take that back out. And then we've got a centrepiece here, so it's where you tighten it, it goes to this far side. So just a case looking that in there. That goes in the middle. And tighten that up. And that is it. That is it. All up. Great size. Easy job. And they say if it is to rain, so the water doesn't gather on the top, you could just like lower one end down, just at a wee slight angle, just let the water run off. I'll let you have a look at what we're planning for the next video. So we're 70% done with the insulation. We've got the floor mat down now. Most of it done, so we've got to finish that off for next week. We've got to lay the LVT flooring, and once that's done, we're getting there. So that's next video. But I hope you've enjoyed this video, and hit the like button, subscribe. In the comments, if you've done it yourself and you like the awning the way it's attached to our roof rack system, leave a wee comment below. But apart from that, see you in the next video. Bye.